Hello everyone, let's move further. For this I am taking this disposable cup and I am just marking with the help of the marker so that I can cut at that particular places. Then you just have to trace down the other features like I am doing here. It's going to represent a propeller or I can say a fan, and it looks so cute and easy. This one is just a watermelon theme one. You can just change the theme as you want. Now for this you may require straw and the earbud also. This one is a sponge inspired painting. For this you just have to take the sponge and you just have to make the imprints on this black sheet of the paper as apparent on your screens. Then with the help of white sheet of the paper and some of the cardboard pieces, we are going to represent some of the small cute little hearts, and in the background I am going to add some of the twigs. You may also require the tissue paper for adding and beautifying it more and more. This activity is a little bit time consuming. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12, but it looks so perfect and good at the end. Just have a look how this turns to be. Let's now move further. For this I am taking the sheet of the paper, I am just rolling it down and making somewhat a cone shape out of it. Then I am going to take some of the tissue papers and I am going to crush them in my hands. Then you just have to fold them as apparent on your screens. Once you are done with it, you just have to insert some of the paper crushed and place it inside, and then you can just insert these candies. This one looks so cute and easy. Just give it a try. Thank you.